Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's What Makes This Trade Great? Well, guys, I'm sorry to say, but I'm piling into Netflix now, so NFLX. So unless you haven't heard the news about Netflix a few days ago when they released earnings and just got absolutely clobbered. So just in case you don't know, this is what happened. This was this day here a few days ago. So this, Netflix was sitting at $350, crashed right down through 300. Okay, so we've been talking about this in the trading room. At least I have been talking about this in the trading room for quite a while now, seeing if it could take out 200. I thought that 200 level would be another super psychological level to break. And they're also guiding poorly for the next quarter. So it's not like Netflix is saying, you know what, guys, this is just a blip. Yeah, we lost 800,000 subscribers, whatever the number was, 200,000 subscribers. But we're also looking like we might lose another 2.5 million next quarter. So I mean, the news obviously is not good for Netflix and all the other streaming services. So bottom line is, I decided, okay. I kept talking about it yesterday in the trading room, wanting to take a short under 200. So in the pre-market right there, I ended up taking the short at 198. Now I put a stop just around 200, okay, and look what it did. I got to 221 cents, and then it did come back down. This big green candle corresponded exactly to, this is the SPY. It corresponded exactly to that green candle. So that was helping Netflix and of course a lot of other stocks. But then once that next 5 or 50-minute candle on the SPY went red, it started to go red. And even though the SPY has popped, now it's starting to drift down. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I really don't know how long I'm going to hold this. I've only held one short overnight in my life. I'm not worried that it's going to hit 300 tomorrow or anything like that, but I don't know what I'm going to do. But I'm in at 198. It got down to 188. I'm looking for more. I'm just going to be a little bit greedy. If I got back up to 198, I'd probably get rid of it. It's something I don't often do, but what made the trade great, of course, is the news from a few days ago, and then the breaking down of 200, and the fact that they're guiding, they're sort of conditioning us that, hey, don't expect any great things for next quarter either. All right, so I want to get back into the room, and here is the email address if you have any questions that you want to ask from me or to me. And also you'll see a link to the test drive. It starts on the 16th. Okay, and that'll be 10 trading days with Trade Ideas. Check it out. Click on the link. It'll cost you $11.11. And remember, all you're doing, if you do it now, you're just pre-registering. So don't expect live data until the 16th. Okay, I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. Hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.